Welcome to Philipsburg, a stunning detached family home in Rollstone near Swords. A bright, welcoming entrance hall sets a relaxed tone throughout. A cozy living room centered on a wood-burning stove. A wonderful open-plan kitchen and dining space opening to the garden. The kitchen is beautifully fitted with classic cream units and timber tops. The principal bedroom is bright and generously proportioned. A further double bedroom with a sunny garden aspect. Another comfortable bedroom finished in soft tones. A sleek contemporary wet room with a walk-in shower. A self-contained annex offers flexible additional accommodation. Guide price €925,000. Contact Matthew Kenton at Sherry Fitzgerald.